Hello techies. So in this video we're going to back up the computer, and let's go to account. From account we're going to scroll down and locate Windows backup. We're going to manage sync settings, and here we are instructed do not sync desktop, so we're going to uncheck desktop. So desktop is not going to sync into our OneDrive because the goal of this is to back up to OneDrive. Let's go ahead and check our answers and see how we do, and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. And if you're having challenges with any of your lab at all, either due to work related issues, health issues, or family issues, reach me out on WhatsApp and I will ensure you come out with an A in any of your tech courses. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.